Hi everybody, in this video I will just explain the AP free response question, the TokenPass problem, just how the problem works. So if you haven't already, in the document there's a little link for the game Mancala, and that's basically what this game is. So when you click on the link, you'll see something like this. If you play the video, it'll show you how to play Mancala. And that's basically what this AP problem is all about. So if you actually look at the free response question, which is right here, here it is, that's pretty much what it is asking. So in part A, it's going to tell you to write the constructor for the token pass class. So read it, and basically what's going on is in part A, you're basically filling each spot on the board with a random number of tokens. In other words, you need to go to each spot in the array and fill that spot with a random number. This random number will represent the number of tokens in that spot. So I actually made a little Mancala game right here. And part A is basically just this. See, if you start to set up the board, each spot in the array is going to have a random number of tokens. Let me do that again. So yeah, again, each spot in the array will have a random number of tokens, and I believe the number is 1 through 10. So all that part A is doing is just simply setting up the board. So for part B, this is where you actually start to play the game. So in the game, keep in mind that you're just going to pick up the tokens from one spot and distribute them throughout the board. So here is what's going on. So if I take this, I'm going to click on this, and it will pick up the tokens and distribute them to each successive spot in the board. So I'll click, and 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, each spot got one additional token. Let me just click this one. So if I click this one, 1, 2, it'll distribute the tokens, and so on and so forth. So that's basically what's going on. As you are doing this problem, keep in mind that both part A and part B, they are written inside the TokenPass class. So the TokenPass class contains the board, which is an array of integers that's representing the Mancala board, and it explains that up here as well. This is my sample board. And we also have a field called the current player. That's whoever the current player is in that instance. That's all you really have to do. Just keep those in mind as you are doing the problem. That's pretty much it. Go on to the other videos if you would like more hints and coding hints on how to do this problem along with the full solution. Thank you.